In today's video, we will go through a design handover process that will end up saving you weeks or months of effort. I have broken down the process into 3 stages. Early stage review, which is in the early stages of the design, keeping in the loop, which is during the designing phase, and design handover, which is when you hand over the design for execution. So let's start with stage 1. This stage is broken into 5 steps that will happen over a single meeting. First, you will want to make a problem statement clear to the team. You can give the development team the opportunity to let you know if there's a bigger problem that they know about and you do not. Then, you can give a brief of your preliminary research, such as what are the issues faced by the customers with the current implementation or competitor solutions. Make sure to provide concrete data or statistics. Next, you will walk the team through 2 or 3 possible solutions in the form of wireframes. Let them know that you are still in the initial stages and that this is not the final design. If you have received any customer feedback on your wireframes, then you can go through the responses with the team. After going through the wireframes, you can get the team's feedback on how feasible it would be to build the features. Make sure to address both the back-end and front-end part of the solution. I have added a link in the description for those who are not aware about the meaning of front-end and back-end. At the end of the meeting, you can take inputs regarding design changes. If you receive a good suggestion, then try implementing it in your final design. The second stage involves keeping the team in the loop whenever you make any major changes in the user flow or functionality. It's worth the effort because you do not want to wait till the end to hear that your design is not feasible. The third stage is handing over the design for development. I have broken this down into 4 parts. First, you should include the problem statement and a brief write-up that shows the effort you have taken to validate your design. Next is providing access to the actual design. Make sure that the design is responsive and that you have tried your best to make the design simple enough to replicate. If your design requires creating custom components, then make sure to have a separate document to explain it in detail. To know more about components, check the link in the description. The third step is to include a prototype or screen recording of the feature. This will help the developer understand how it works in detail. Make sure to highlight any back-end dependencies. The final step is to hold regular one-on-one sessions with the developer. This will ensure that there's minimum deviation from the original design, and you also have a chance to clear misunderstandings.